Nde mago gal koe kar chung'od bura ma Baringo South kidek lor kaluwore kod kwan mapiny mag jopuonjre mag grade mar 10 modonjo e sikundego. Jokanyo e sekta mar somo e kar chung'od burano koro dwaro mondo olok chike matayo kepo e sikunde mondo sikul ka sikul oyud jopuonjre moromo tayo chenro mag somo. Simfroso Kinda gi ler mathoth.
Sudo geno medo duono ne skunde mag ogalko mag sifo manyaka sani ni kod kwan matin ahinya ma jopuonjre. Gino makoro kelo luoro ni skunde go kidek lor ni wach girem chopo kare kwan jopuonjre madorore e tayo skunde. Jokanye sekta mar somo ka chung'od bura ma Baringo South koro ywak ni nyaka sani thoth skunde makono ni kod kwan mapiny mar jopuonjre gima miyo ginyal yudo omenda maromo tayo skunde go.
There are some schools that have very few students, very few students. And we are worried that these schools can be closed because they don't have enrollment that is needed by the ministry. You know, there is a specific number that at least they should have almost more than 50 students. So when you get anything less than 50, that means that school is good as closed. We don't want to see our schools closed.
Kagilosero mano kelo kanyakla jokanye sekta mar somo mano bagi marigat, jotend skunde ywak ni chenro mitiyo godo tero jopuonjre skunde mag senior onedo nyakonchiel kendo yenyo skunde mag sifo.
Kuangalia yo system ina favor C1 schools na C2 schools na pengine C3 schools wachache. Lakini C4 schools kwa ile system unaona kuwa wamepewa wanafunzi wawili ama wanafunzi 3 ama wanafunzi 10. Na kwa hao wanafunzi 10 pengine 8 wanaenda mashule zingine, 2 wanakuja shule. So unakuta kuwa mashule zetu hawana wanafunzi. Na tukinyamaza namna hiyo, pengine mwaka 4 tutafunga mashule karibu 3/4. Na sisi tukiwa Baringo South nafikiri hatutakubali namna hiyo. Lazima sisi wote tuongee pamoja. Mheshimiwa tuko na yeye hapa, kama itawezekana wabadilishe hiyo policy katika bunge ili mashule yote ikuwe sawa wakati ya admission.
A school like Senetwa has around 600. A school like Kipcherere has 1,600 students. Is it 1,600 or even almost 3,000 students? Kipcherere. So one school in North Baringo, Kipcherere, inamaliza hii mashule yetu yote ya Marigat. So ile like bwana mheshimiwa tunakuheshimu sana. But there is something wrong. There is something wrong. Some people may not be telling you the truth. There must be something wrong. There is a disconnect between the principals and the leaders. We don't sit as a family and discuss issues facing us.
Kakayo mata mmedo kwan jopuonje skunde gom, jawad bura ma Baringo South Charles Kamuren, olando kauting chutho mag jopuonjre dute skunde mag sifo, okang mogero ni medo kwan mag jopuonjre skunde go.
The challenge that they have is that they don't have money to run the school. And you know, capitation money comes as per their soul, by the enrollment. So it has been a big challenge. That is what brought us to reason